Anybody that stop me from beating people that come here to beg me money, I will beat them. Hey, when I go beat my wife.
Now what? 2022 don't come again. I just sleep broke. Hey, God, I will do this one now.
Sorry.
Come meet now, me help me. Hey. Hey. Why?
You are
my leader. 2021. And that man help me last year. Help me. Once you go meet him, go meet him. Man meet him, man go help me. My leader, no dey fail,
Chairman, this chairman a bad person.
He shock you.
Yo, I found out what happened. Don't touch me. Maybe this our chairman. I say back collect small thing, bro. See what you do there. Go beat me. Go use your own and take bandage me. See back carry my wallet.
Wait, so you want to collect money now? You collect so.
Where you dey go?
About they go me leader na story na like you don't do bad thing. Leader when me know when they give.
Continue.
When leader they even they give, they're supposed to call like givenchy. That's what I thought they use. They pay good with evil. I beg you, man, they go collect my food.
Come on there.
Some of the spoil people late.
What happened to this one? He not feel when we stand the collecting.
It's done.
The breathing less more.
Carry God, oh.
What happened after I didn't go to the already?
Yes, sir.
After 3 days.
And they come just now. That guy carry hand for this side. This guy now with the dada. What did happen? What? I don't know. Maybe that info when they do.
You be mumu.
Run.
Leader.
Abba.
I don't. Leader.
You can't collect money, Abi.
No.
Collect money now. Abba, you know the money you can't collect.
No, I'm not come beg money. Oh. I can't wish you season greetings.
No, you for send me text message because you call me say you want to collect money, Abi.
No, leader, you know if you get the message. If
When I go give am. Give her what he deserve.
Happy New Year.
I am who I too much. Relax. Season go and greet him. Go corner. When I not use this and I hear na for beat that guy fence. When I use another
Something way bad for this.
use another abattoir.
Abattoir there.
Go and butcher him. I don't feel talk I said this year. Anybody wey come my house come ask me for money year 2022, I go beat her. My boys go beat her. And if anybody put mouth say well beat her, we'll beat the person. This year 2022 is my year of divine wickedness.
Don't beat him there.
It's a economy season greeting.
Baby, why are you beating everybody that has walked into this compound to ask you for something? What's the matter?
He came to ask me for money. That's my New Year resolution. Anybody who don't live your year life, say na me, he wanted sustain, and me want bring the dream back to life. Then wake up. I can never be solution to any lazy man.
But honey, this is wickedness.
Oh, it's wickedness. I said it before. This is the year 2022. Is my year of divine wickedness. Anybody that stop me from beating people that come here to beg me money, I will beat them. Hey, when I go beat my wife. Take her to another person.
So baby, you want them to maltreat me in my matrimonial home?
Not be lie, I'm gonna leave her. Now, go and give her matrimonial beating. Take her away.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Sorry.
Take care of her for me. 2022 is my year of divine wickedness to lazy people. I want you to begging take mother person life here. Begging leader. Now forth, I'm a follower. Let everybody follow Christ. Now Christ be leader, not be me. Anybody come to my house here, I'll beat you finish. I'll show you to leader, which is Christ, our Savior. I don't want to save on this.